Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something really exciting for you, the ultimate fat cutter drink that's going to turbocharge your weight loss journey. If shedding those extra pounds is your goal, then you're in for a treat. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. But before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Alright, let's dive into the ingredients you'll need for this powerful fat cutter drink. Fresh lemon packed with vitamin C and metabolism-boosting properties. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar and aids digestion. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels and adds a delicious flavor. Honey, natural sweetener that also supports metabolism. Cayenne pepper increases calorie burn and boosts metabolism. Water, the ultimate hydrator and detoxifier. Preparing the drink. Now that we have got our ingredients ready, let's put this fat cutter drink together. Step 1. Start with warm water. It's essential for kickstarting your metabolism and preparing your body for the day. Step 2. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which aids in detoxification and boosting your immune system. Step 3. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This not only aids digestion, but also helps control your appetite throughout the day. Step 4. Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not only a natural flavor enhancer, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and sugar cravings. Step 5. For a touch of sweetness and extra metabolism support, add a teaspoon of honey. Step 6. Time to kick up the heat. A pinch of cayenne pepper will rev up your metabolism and help your body burn more calories. Mixing and benefits. Give it all a good stir, and there you have it, your ultimate fat cutter drink. But what makes this drink truly powerful? Let's talk about the benefits. Metabolism boost. Lemon, apple cider vinegar, and cayenne pepper are all known to boost metabolism, making your body a calorie-burning machine. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon and apple cider vinegar help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing sudden cravings and energy crashes. Detoxification. Lemon and water work together to flush out toxins and promote a healthy digestive system. Appetite suppression. The combination of ingredients helps control your appetite, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. And there you have it, your go-to fat cutter drink for extreme weight loss. Remember, this drink works best when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. It's not a magic solution, but it's a fantastic addition to your weight loss journey. If you found this recipe helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends who are also on a mission to shed those pounds. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay motivated.